up, chefs and chefettes? Today we are making stew fish. Let's go.
All right, chef and chefettes. So I'm going to tell you all the ingredients you need to make this stew fish. It's a lot, so pay attention. All right. So you're going to need some fish, right? Here we have kingfish. Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Nice and washed with some lime. We have, what the heck is this?
I don't know.
We have some flour, right? And we put a whole bunch of seasoning in our flour, but we'll tell you that on the way. We have some salt, black pepper, we have soy sauce, we have tomato sauce. This is ketchup. You're gonna need ketchup. We have our peppers, red and green. We have sugar. You can use regular sugar or brown sugar. We have our Chef Trini's favorite,
green seasoning.
Green seasoning, our homemade green seasoning. You're gonna need a lime. And these are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna throw this in the flour. You need paprika, some thyme, and onion and garlic powder. That's everything you're gonna need, guys, to make this amazing stew fish. So stay tuned to see how we do that.
All right, chefs and chefettes. So we washed our kingfish with some lime and water. This is what it looks like. Now it's time to season it. So you're gonna season your kingfish with a little bit of salt, some black pepper. Oh yeah, we like everything hot. We're gonna put a lot of black pepper up in here. Some green seasoning. Some paprika. If you don't have paprika, use that smoked paprika. Oh yeah. Some thyme. Get yourself some thyme leaves and sprinkle a little bit of thyme leaves. And last but not least, a little bit of lime juice. That's it. So we're gonna season our kingfish with these ingredients. We're gonna massage it in there, and I'm gonna show you what we do next.
All right, so we have our flour. We're gonna put all this ingredients in our flour. Some salt, some black pepper, a little paprika, some thyme, we have our onion powder, and our garlic powder. And this is what we're going to use to fry our fish.
All right, chefs and chefettes, now it's time to fry your fish. We about to fry these kingfish steaks up like a bad mama jamma.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
So like we said, in the flour we put paprika, thyme, salt, some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. That's it. That's all we used. And now we're gonna take these fat king steak, roll them up in a damn, they so big they can't even fit in a plate. Damn, Chef Sam, we should have got some bigger plates. What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah, see, they don't want to fit. They don't want to fit. So we're gonna roll these kingfish steaks in the flour mixture that we created. And put, ooh, y'all hear that?
We hear that.
Look at this. Look at this. Dip it in the flour mixture. This well-seasoned flour mixture. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because this recipe right here is going to be a banger. So roll it around and then drop it in there. Look at that. Look at that last piece, guys. That's all you gotta do. Take your seasoned kingfish steaks, roll it out in your seasoned flour mixture, and fry it. So stay tuned for the next step. All right, chefs and chefettes. So our kingfish was washed, it was seasoned, it was fried, and now it's time to stew it. So what we did was we put a little bit of oil in our frying pan. Y'all see the frying pan? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Next, we're gonna put, you were supposed to put some fresh ginger. Somebody used our fresh ginger. So we're gonna use ginger powder, but if you got fresh ginger, that's what you want to use. You want to put some fresh ginger in your frying pan. Chef Sam, there ain't nothing in here.
I see plenty.
I gotta beat this.
You used to beat it.
I gotta.
Let's go.
No.
Oh no, she didn't.
All right, we're gonna put your onions, your sweet peppers. We got some red and we got some green sweet peppers. I want to put both of them in there. Y'all paying attention? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna put our ketchup. Yes, you gotta put ketchup in there, guys. Make sure you got some ketchup. Add your ketchup. That's gonna give it a nice, rich, sweet flavor.
Alright, what's next? What's next?
Just stir this around. Stir it around, get everything nice and cooked. How's that looking? That's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good.
All those flavors are combined together.
I'm telling you. Guys, next we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. You see that? That's about 2 teaspoons of sugar. You're gonna add your sugar. You gotta get these vegetables nice and cooked. And now we're gonna add the garlic. You always wanna add your garlic last because it cooks the fastest. So we're gonna add our garlic. Give it a nice little stir. Guys, this is what you want your stew to look like. Before we add the fish, this is what you want your stew to look like.
It looks so pretty.
It looks good, right? It looks good. It looks good. Next, we're gonna add some tomato sauce. Give me a little space. Give me a little space, Chef Sam. And last but not least, you're gonna add some soy sauce into a bowl of water. I'm adding about 2 cups of water. Y'all see this?
Look at see.
About 2 cups of water. I'm gonna put about maybe 8 tablespoons of soy sauce into the water, and I'm gonna pour that in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this simmer until it starts to bubble and get hot. And once that starts to boil and get hot, then I'm gonna add the fried kingfish. So stay tuned for what we do next. All right?
All right. You see our sauce, our little stew here. You see it's thick.
Simmering.
That is how you want it. You see our fish here. We're gonna take our fish and we're gonna put it in this bad boy. Like that, just like that, just like that. So we're gonna put each of our fish in here, and then we're going to baste it for 3 to 6 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. If you'd rather not do that, you can put it in and then flip it on each side for about 3 to 6 minutes.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
So you're showing us how to baste it.
Look at this.
Baste man, baste man.
No.
Yeah, that's me.
You're not even basting it.
Yeah, I based the damn thing.
Oh gosh. Alright, look how amazing. And you just keep doing this. Don't break it up. Don't break up the fish. Leave it nice and whole. Look at that. Our stew's already getting thick. Can you see that, Chef Trini?
I can see it. I'm ready to eat.
You ready to eat? Alright, well, we gotta wait about 6 minutes and then we're gonna plate it and show y'all what that looks like.